Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. My name is Sama. Today I have a Sunday reset vlog for you guys, just to show you how I spend my Sundays and what I do, what I get ready for the week. I usually like to get everything ready, like my apartment, myself, for the working week. Right now I'm gonna do my bed. I will have something for breakfast. Of course, we will do some changes for myself. I'm gonna just finish doing my hair because I have hair dried my hair yesterday. I was so tired to do anything else. I will do some skincare and do my nails. Let's go.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the light.
So now that the apartment is all clean, we will start with me. Okay. So I cannot continue with this hair. What is this? What is this? Anyway, I mean, it's not a problem, because I love them, but it's just that it's not curly right now. So I have to find a solution. We do my hair. I'm gonna put some music and enjoy the moment. Super visible, non, je ne suis pas certaine. Maria, son allé téléphone, good allô, oui, je connais la joueuse. Tonight I'm gonna make you my wife. Okay, I'm stopping the music just to talk to you. I'm gonna put this headband, so cute, right? And I'm gonna put my hair back because now it's skincare time. First of all, I'm gonna wash my face. Since my face is so dry right now, I'm gonna put some powder because I usually end up hurting my skin. I'm gonna apply it on my skin so it will protect my skin. I don't know if you get what I mean. I hope you do. I look so cute. I have washed my face. I'm gonna apply this mask on this part right here, wherever I have problems on my face. And where's my voice? I'm gonna apply this one, and then I forgot that I have this for my nose, charcoal pore strips. So I'm gonna put this on my nose, put this on the rest of my face. Once I wash it, I'm gonna apply this. It's a face sheet mask. It's a collagen firming and plumping. It says it strengthens skin elasticity. To be honest, I felt as well that it did hydrate my skin and nourish my skin. Like, it feels so good. I have tried it once. I really liked it, and I went and bought 2 more. And by the way, it was just not even €2 or €2 maybe. So that's right. The nose strip is on. Now I'm gonna apply face mask all over my face. I will try to avoid the places I have waxed. Actually, whenever you feel like you get bumps everywhere, just try this. It's really nice. Don't forget, you don't leave it until it gets completely dry. It's not good. As soon as it starts getting a little bit dry, then you wash it. Probably it will get dry before this, so I'm gonna just wash my face and wait for the nose strip to get dry as well and remove it. Okay, I have removed the nose strip. I have cleaned my face. I get sometimes some reactions like this one from waxing, but it will leave. Now let's place the mask. Since I have to leave it a good moment, I'm gonna start cooking lunch at the same time. And let's cook. So for today, I'm gonna make some rice with all kind of peppers and some fish. Yes.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
I will remove now the mask because it got dry and it feels so good. I just massage everything in my face. Sorry about the noise because I opened the window and you can hear all the... I live next to a park, so you can hear all the kids playing and all that stuff. So sorry about that.
Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or gone. But I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we
I'm in love with this golden hour. It feels so good. This is the mask I have done before. I have done my nails. I have been working a little bit on my stuff. I'm gonna stay here. I have organized my week. I have planned a little bit what I'm gonna do this week, inshallah. And now I'm just gonna chill. But it was a good day, and I love when it's sunny like this. Let me know which kind of weather you like, guys. But here it's most of the time cloudy and like gray. Sky is gray and dark. And when the sun comes out like this, it feels so good. I will start editing this vlog and I will talk to you later. Now that I had dinner, I will go take a shower. I'm not going to wash my hair because I just washed it yesterday and I have done it this morning. Then I will just check the editing of the video and watch at the same time TV. I don't know why I take this much time to talk. I just had my shower. I put my hair on a ponytail and I'm all cozy. I have put some cream all over my body. I just didn't put on my hands and my feet. So I'm gonna do it right now and then I will get my bed ready for me.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close.